Emily is going on a trip. She is going to visit her cousin in another city. Today, she is at the airport. It is early in the morning. She has a small suitcase and a backpack. Emily feels a little nervous but also excited. She walks into the airport. The building is very big. There are many people inside. Some are checking in, some are walking fast, and others are sitting and waiting. She looks at the big screen on the wall. It shows the flights. Her flight number is AB1 to 3. It says, Gate 14, on time. Emily goes to the check-in counter. The woman behind the desk smiles. Good morning, says the woman. Good morning, says Emily. May I see your ticket and passport? Of course, says Emily. She gives them to the woman. The woman types on her computer. She checks the flight and prints a boarding pass. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is 14. Boarding starts at 8:15. Thank you very much, says Emily. Emily walks to the security check. There is a long line. She puts her bag and phone in a tray. She walks through the scanner. It beeps. A guard asks her to step aside. He checks her shoes. Everything is okay. You can go, says the guard. Thank you, says Emily. She picks up her things and walks to a cafe. She buys a cup of tea and a sandwich. She finds a seat near the window. She sees airplanes outside. One airplane is taking off. Another one is landing. It is loud but exciting. Emily checks her watch. It is 8:05. She finished her tea and walks to gate 14. There are many people there. A screen above the gate says, Flight AB1 to 3 now boarding. A flight attendant is checking tickets. Boarding pass, please, says the flight attendant. Here you go, says Emily. The woman scans the pass and says, Welcome aboard. Emily smiles and says, Thank you. She walks through the tunnel and enters the airplane. It is her first time flying. She finds her seat. It is seat 12A by the window. She puts her bag under the seat and sits down. A man is sitting next to her. Hello, he says. Hi, says Emily. Is this your first time flying? Yes, she says. I'm a little nervous. Don't worry, the man says. Flying is very safe. The flight attendants walk down the aisle. They show how to use the seatbelt. They show how to wear the oxygen mask in case of an emergency. Emily listens carefully. She fastens her seatbelt. The airplane starts to move. It goes to the runway. The engine gets louder. The airplane starts to fly. Emily feels a little scared but also happy. She looks out of the window. The airport becomes small. The houses and cars look tiny. The sky is blue and full of clouds. A flight attendant comes and says, Would you like something to drink? Yes, please. Can I have some water? Here you go, says the attendant. Emily drinks the water and takes out a book. She reads for a while. Then, she closes her eyes and takes a short nap. After 1 hour, the captain speaks. Ladies and gentlemen, we will land in 20 minutes. Please fasten your seatbelts. Emily puts her book away and looks outside. The plane is going down slowly. She sees the city, the roads, and the buildings. The airplane lands safely. Everyone claps. Emily smiles. She is happy. She did it. She waits until the plane stops. Then she takes her bag and walks out. She goes to the baggage claim. She waits near the belt. After a few minutes, her suitcase comes. She picks it up. Emily walks outside. Her cousin is waiting. They hug. Welcome, says her cousin. Thank you. I'm so happy to see you, says Emily. They get into a taxi and drive away from the airport. Emily looks out of the window. She sees new buildings, shops, and people. A new adventure begins.